Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chintamani from Mankind Pharma, and I welcome you all to this lovely evening where we celebrate the life of white coat legend Dr. H Parmesh. A huge round of applause, please.
On behalf of Mankind Pharma, I welcome you all to the grand premiere of White Coat Legends. And today we feel honored and privileged to host Professor Dr. H Parmesh.
With the help of this film, we are trying to create some kind of a memory in which we could really showcase you as a hero which you actually are.
Dr. Parmesh is a well-known pediatrician and a human being. He was the man behind all of us here, pulmonologists.
Parmesh has been a very active guy. He loved his friends and he always wanted to be in a group of people. He participated actively in all the cultural activities of the institution.
As long as you live, don't harm anybody. Learn to live with others peacefully. Being humble is a nice thing. If you smile one person, if I make one person smile in a day, nothing is happier to me than that one.
After seeing this movie of Dr. Parmesh, I think he's gone up in my impression by 4 slots, not even 1 or 2 slots.
It is Dr. H Parmesh who has had the word empathy the maximum, not just to human beings, but to Mother Nature, to animals and birds.
Generally would not be very happy to go to doctors, but for Dr. Parmesh, I was happy that I'll meet him and things will get sorted. Thank you so much. Wonderful human being and good health always.
I think it is the greatest honor for me. It gives an impetus for us to do some more and also give the youngster to achieve more.